memorized so many poems.
Oh.
Man, there was a lot of recitation.
Interesting.
In my life, you recited a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
You get up in the front of the room and
Yeah.
yeah, you had to learn to face audience. This was a Norwegian city, and we were Germans. So you didn't always fit in so well.
Oh, yeah.
And you know, if, well, like I say, if someone dated someone, you know, a German dating a Norwegian, parents kind of question that a little bit.
Yeah. Right. Yep, that makes sense.
And that's also with religion.
Yes.
Yeah, you question. Maybe your daughter marries into a Catholic family, or maybe your Catholic son is dating a Lutheran. But I don't think it makes so much difference anymore. I think it's an agreement between husband and wife.
Yes, yeah.
It used to be quite a fuss about it.
Yeah.
A poem about snow was begun in the gloaming and busily all the night, filling fields and highways. And there's something with a delight.
Amazing.
Oh, we recited a lot.
Yeah.
And in confirmation days, you know, Pastor Haig, you recited a lot of hymns. And you did a lot from memory.
Did you go to church here in Nome?
Oh, yes. And we were confirmed then at St. Peter.
In St. Peter, okay.
Yeah. See Palmer Swenson and Elda Johnson, Irene Cuppard. There was a Borsted in there too. We were a confirmation club. I don't know why it is, being I wasn't Norwegian, I kind of felt a little bit on the outside.
Sure.
Because this really was a Norwegian community. City.
Yeah. There was no hot lunch program. You brought your own lunch.
No. And we used to call them syrup pails.
Okay. Yep.
Too bad we don't have one of them.
Yeah.
Kind of tinny looking and handle one.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's no hot lunch.
Yeah. What did you think when you heard that we were going to fix up the school? Had you heard that?
Well, see, I knew nothing about the gym here.
Okay. Yep.
And I just thought, how can that be when the basement got so sunk in?
Yep.
Because I didn't even know you had this addition.
Oh, sure. Yep.
So, but I don't know what I thought about it.
Yep.
You can be honest.
I didn't think it was possible.
Yeah.
I think we told her if Jeff and Teresa put it, we're doing anything.
Oh, cool.
I just can't.
That's pretty neat. That was kind of the response that we got from everybody. Nobody really thought we were going to do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just about impossible.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I'm surprised about the flooring and the wood and all. How well. But that is old.
Yeah.
It looks so good yet.
Yeah.
That's what we thought.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Yep. Pretty neat. Well, if you could offer Teresa and I one piece of advice now going forward, because now that we finished the gym, we're going to start on the school. What's one piece of advice you would give us?
I think you're restoring it as nicely as can be. Just restore what you have.
Yeah.
And just think of the people that are going to be fortunate enough to come here for classes.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
Your little store or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
I think quite an addition. I can't imagine And then you think of all the history of that wool. Carded, dyed,
Yes.
everything here. Where does she, what kind of equipment does she have to dye this wool?
We dye it in a pot by hand.
All these colors.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see all that beautiful wool?
It's amazing.
All the colors they have? Just think, that's all been done right in this. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Pretty neat. Should we have some cake and coffee now?
Yes. What's the interior of that place look like? Does it still have
It
a
looks-
stage?
The stage is still there. It actually looks pretty good. We own it. And all the movie theater equipment is still there.
It is.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of chairs, you know, the old movie theater chairs.
I can remember the big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because there was a ball diamond up in there. Here was your gym. You were here where you went to the gym.
You are exactly right through that door down there.
That's your gym.
Okay,
Yep.
that's
That's what you're looking at, that wall over there.
Yeah,
That would be
yeah.
the wall over there.
And then there was a furnace room.
Yep, where the boiler is.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this was your lunchroom then, down here.
Yes. Well, it would be first, second, third, and fourth gotta be down on here.
Yep. Yep, there were two more classrooms through those doors there.
Oh, yes.
Yep, that was on top of the gym. That's what had collapsed. And your coat rooms then were here.
Yeah?
That's what that is.
I don't think there was any hot lunch program at the time.
Oh, there
I
wasn't?
think we brought your food in a bag.
Oh, okay.
No, had those round pails, syrup pails. Could have had lunch here.
Yeah.
Every house had a syrup pail or something.
Yes.
It had a handle.
Kind of a metal pail.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so they did not serve lunch then,
Not at
in the
my
beginning. That makes sense.
That's here to your trophies.
Yep.
I don't remember so much about the boys being so popular in basketball. There was some hot stuff with the girls.
Yes,
We
that's
heard
what
that.
we
You know, my
heard.
brother and Brona were twins. And you couldn't tell, the people playing ball couldn't tell them apart.
Is that right? Oh my. You sat where?
I don't know, because I could look out the window.
Oh.
You remember once the teacher said you're something like you're distracting or something. You're looking out the window when you're looking at your book. Oh, okay.
Yeah. And that-
Oh, at 7th and 8th, this is 5th and 6th. And here's the superintendent's office.
Oh, yes.
So
And
the
this
smaller
is-
grades are on the bottom floor.
Yep,
and
we
then
were here.
this was, what was this then? This was courtroom then too?
Well, library.
Library.
Well, this is
Yep.
library. Okay.
Yep.
Harold Hendrickson was a teacher.
Okay.
Harold Hendrickson was a teacher in this room, 7th and 8th.
Oh.
Harold Hendrickson. I sat over here. Over there someplace. Teacher's desk was there. No.
So who was the superintendent back then? Remember?
I
Can't
can't
remember.
remember.
And we're keeping this big rooms like this.
Right, right.
Yeah. This will be one big honeymoon suite, one big room.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Well, I suppose someday you'll get teachers to have classes of some kind.
Yes, we will do classes on
Probably have some sewing.
arts and,
Art,
you know,
no.
things like that. Mhm.
How about sewing?
Yes, definitely.
Quilting.
Quilting.
Yeah.
Yes, we've had quilting guilds already contact us to, you know, to hold retreats and whatnot,
Yeah.
so. Quilting bees, that's totally appropriate.
Well, then, okay, this is 7th and 8th, that's 5th and 6th, the superintendent's office,
Yes,
and the library, I remember that much. Are those the original windows?
Yes.
They are. How come they had such good looking windows those days?
They were beautiful.
Very nice
Yeah,
windows.
yeah, they were, yeah.
Very nice. there's your gym.
Ah. I'll be darned.
No, it wasn't very big, was it? But, I wonder when they planted all them trees. I don't remember trees. Everything was bare.
Well, I imagine, yeah, just wild trees and some were planted and,
From Enderlin, where I was born, we moved to Clifton Township. And then I remember my sister going to school with horse and buggy. And then you see, when she got through with 8th grade, my dad and mother bought that place over here, that big square. And we had a chimney fire. And that's where that house disappeared. And this house that you people knew August Witt. I think after my dad and mother lost the place, I think August Witt took over. And August lived in that house and after our fire. It was a pretty nice house. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah. And where did you move after that?
Me, then I ended up over in Moore Township. No, that is the deal.
So you went to school here from
Well, I had a little high school here.
1927 through 35 in there someplace.
Probably something like that, 34, 35.
Huh. Yeah.
So then that new gym there, that's all new to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you ever come back to any reunions?
No, I didn't.
No. So you never saw the new gym once they built it in the food? Yeah.
That's the first I've ever been here.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Today.
Huh.
Yeah.
I don't think I even knew there was a gym.
Oh, okay.